Hi friends, today we are gonna keep working on place value. Place value is everything that is related with hundred, tens, ones, the value of its digit, the expanded form, the way to write a number. Even this is related with place value. And we are gonna do our work that is quite complete, so please don't miss it. And it's going to be fun because it's going to be also a game. It's called Place Value Word. Okay? The materials that you're going to need, you can use the papers that I put in Canvas for you. I create them, or just use a white piece of paper, a blank piece of paper, and divide it into 4/4 or into eighths. Here I have 8 squares, and I will do it in fourths. Okay? I'm gonna explain you. And for sure, here I have my friend, the random generator number. You don't need to use exactly this one or a digital one. Some kids are using 3 cards together to create a number, and they have a 4, 3, and a 2, and they say, oh, this is 432, things like that. But something that creates numbers for you. We have 2 levels. Level 1 with numbers under 100, and level 2 with numbers under 1000. On day 1 of the center, we are gonna play just with level 1, and on day 2 with both. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Here I have room for one number and another one for another number. So if you are working at home, probably you need to make at least 3 copies of the paper. Yeah, 3. Okay, because we are gonna work on at least 6 numbers per day. Okay, so I'm gonna create my number 93. 93. So here it says blocks representation of my number. The number I'm working on is 93. Tens and ones. How many tens and how many ones are in the number? Expanded form of number 33 and written form of number 33. And this will be another number. So let's go. You can start wherever. I'm gonna start right here with the block representation. 93. One important thing for practical people like me, you don't need to draw. In first grade, you usually draw the tens like that, as a bar with 10 lines inside, but it takes a lot of time. So in second grade, we are more practical because time is precious and we just need to draw lines. So this is a 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 tens. And my number is 93, so I have 3 ones more. These blocks are the same that we have been using in all the centers, so it's just a drawing of them. Now let's go with tens and ones. How many tens has the number 93? You can see here how many tens bars I have. 9 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Okay, done with the half of the number. Now expanded form. Expanded form is like the cards you have been using. If I need to represent number like the place value ones with the hundreds, the ones, so the tens and the ones that always I display here. So the expanded form is about the value of 9 tens and the value of 3 ones. And we need to add the value of both digits together. How much are 9 tens all together? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 blah, 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 makes 90. So the value of 9 tens, the value of digit 9 in the position of the tens is a 90. And what about 3 ones? Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Vale? And that's all. And now writing form. How can I write 93? I'm gonna leave you in Canvas one document to help you. But basically, it's 9T and then 3. 93. And I'm done with this number. Let's go with the second one. 36. 36. Blocks representations. Remember that all of them are numbers from 1 to 100. Less than 100. Blocks representation. 1, 2, 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. It sounds familiar? And 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Done with the block representation, with my drawing. How many tens and ones has the number 36? Pues you just need to check here. How many 10 bars? 3 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. Expanded form. Maybe this one is the trickiest, but it's not really. Imagine that you are using your cards. What cards you will use to represent 36? Or just listen to your words. 36. Expanded form. Value of 3 tens. 30 plus the value of the second digit, that is a 6 in the position of the 1. 36. 30 plus 6. Okay? And then the written form. I need to write 36. And I'm done. Vale? And now I'm going to explain you the level 2 for Thursday. This is one important. This is a review for first grade, and this is kind of a continuation. So let's go. You need to do 6. I just have time on the video to make 2 numbers, but you need to do 6, at least 6 each day, okay? So generate a number. 45, are you kidding me? 600. Voy a poner uno. 202. Perfect. 254. Blocks representations. Imagine that you are working with your blocks. Okay? You have the ones, the tiny ones, you have the tens, and then you have one more thing that you used to work with it. A square. Yeah. The square represents the 100. How many 100 has the number 254? 200. You just need to listen to the words you are saying. So 200. 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, 254. Okay, how many hundreds, tens, and ones has the number? Check here, 200, 200s, 5 tens, and how many ones? 4 ones. Done. Now expanded form. In this case, we have a 3-digit number because it's, I'm gonna write it over here. 250 and 4. So it has 1, 2, 3 digits. 3 digits means that we have the value of the 4 in the position of the 1s plus the value of the 5 in the position of the 10s, as we had over here, and then the value of the 2 when it's in the position of the hundreds. So let's think about it. And it's the same. Imagine that at the beginning of the year, you need to represent 2 and 3 digit numbers with your blocks and your place value cards. If you were using place value cards, which cards did you put in here to form this number? The value of 200 is 200. The value of 5 tens, 5 in the tens, is 50. And the value of 4 in the position of the ones is 4. And if you want to check your answer, you just need to put together, to add 200 plus 50 plus 4 and see if it makes 254 or not. Imagine that you did, okay, this is 200, this is 5, and this is 4. If we add 200 plus 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 makes 9. And 200 plus 9 makes 209. So these two are not the same. It means that I am wrong. I need to review my answer. Okay? And now, let's go with the writing form. I need to write, well, no, here you have some help. 200, imagine that I'm writing the quantity on a check. 200, 50, 4. Wait, I messed up. On the writing form, I cannot write numbers. 200, no S, 54. Done. Another number. 380. This is the standard form of a number. It's not included in here. 380, in case you cannot see the number in there. Block representation. 300, 3 squares. And the same, please don't draw the 100 squares inside because, boof, it's kind of hard. And 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's all. And I have no ones to draw. Nothing to draw about the ones. How many hundred tens and ones has my number? It has 300, 8 tens, and 0 ones. 0 ones. They are invisible, but they are here. expanded form is the same. I have 3 digits. So I need to have the value of the ones, the value of the tens, plus the value of the hundreds. How much value has a 3 in the hundreds? 100, 200, 300. What's the value of 8 tens? You can sing the song. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then 0 in the ones, easy peasy, is a 0. And the writing form. 300 and 80. Okay? And the same. First day, 6 numbers of these. I did just 2. 1 and 2. Second day, 6 numbers of 3 digits. Okay? What do I need to do now? Imagine I am in day 1. I'm gonna cut out these squares, rectangles actually, because they are gonna be kind of cards for a game. Ta-da! I made some magic, and here I have my cards. Imagine that I have all the 6 numbers all together, divided into 4 pieces, so you're gonna have a card deck here, ¿vale? Mix them up, and you're gonna play. You can play by yourself or with a partner, with a sibling or someone. Okay? So, one card for me, and just give me 1 second. 1 card for my partner. You need to grab the one that is on the top, okay? So you need to flip the cards at the same time and decide which number is greater. Here I have 36, and here I have 9 tens and 3 ones. Which number is greater? Because the greater number is the winner and is gonna grab all the cards. 36 are 3 tens and 6 ones, so I guess this one is the winner, so cards for you. What about, I'm gonna mix them a little bit more. This one for me, this one for my partner. And I have 93, and I have the expanded form of 36. So which one is greater? 93. So this is the winner. So on day 1, play yes with the ones, with the cards of level 1, and on day 2 you can mix them all in a big card deck and play with all the hundreds and all the small cards together. And have fun, and please don't throw the cards because it's a game that you can play once in a while at home. Okay? Thanks for watching. Have fun. Adios.